You've named it. You finally said the thing you've been avoiding. And now the question becomes, what do I do with this truth? Not the apology, not the reunion, the shift. The moment where your behavior starts matching what you have admitted. Because the truth means nothing if your actions stay the same. So ask yourself, what's one thing I can stop doing today that caused harm? What's one thing I can start doing that builds safety? Your child doesn't need a speech. They need evidence, small, consistent choices that show something is different. This is where trust meets its first breath. This is where repair begins.